This video will provide step-by-step instructions on how to apply Sylvania's headlight restoration kit. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing. Before using the headlight restoration kit, wash and rinse both headlights. After washing, dry both headlights thoroughly. After drying both headlights, tape around the headlights. Next, open the kit and retrieve the surface activator. It is labeled Step 1 in the box and is shown in the upper right corner of this video. Apply to both headlights, but don't use all of it. You will need it for a later step. Allow it to sit on both headlights for at least 30 seconds. After allowing the surface activator to sit on your headlights, rinse thoroughly with water. Now, retrieve the 400 grit sandpaper from the kit. Wet both the light surface and the sandpaper, reapplying water as needed. Use medium pressure and sand each headlight for 3 to 5 minutes. Repeat the process, now utilizing the 1000 grit sandpaper. Ensure both your sandpaper and the light surface are wet throughout the sanding process, and sand each headlight for 3 to 5 minutes.
To put that into perspective, Osama bin Laden, after 9/11, the most wanted terrorist on the planet, had half of that, just 25 million.
Repeat the sanding process one more time, now utilizing the 2000 grit sandpaper. Once again, sand each headlight for 3 to 5 minutes and ensure that both the light surface and the sandpaper are both wet. However, utilize firmer pressure than before for the 2000 grit sandpaper. Ensure that both headlights are completely dry before moving on to the next step. At this point, you may also remove the tape that is surrounding the headlights. Grab the clarifying compound and one of the 2 white towels from the kit. Apply half of the compound to one towel and rub it into the dry headlight surface. This can take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes per light. When done with the first light, dispose of the towel, grab the second towel, and repeat the process on the second headlight. Once again, rinse and dry both headlights before moving on to the next step. Find and use the surface activator once more on both headlights. Like before, allow the surface activator to sit for about 30 seconds before rinsing. Do not skip this step. This next step is important. Thoroughly rinse the surface activator from both headlights. Ensure no surface activator remains on the headlights and dry both headlights again. Lastly, Put on the included glove and apply the UV clear coat onto the included blue cloth. Apply it onto every headlight surface in slightly overlap strokes, only applying one coat. Do not apply more than one coat to the headlights. This is the last step. Once again, ensure that every surface is covered with a UV clear coat before moving on to the next headlight. Once you apply one coat, you cannot apply another. After applying the coat to both headlights, avoid touching the light surface for 1 hour and allow 4 to 6 hours for the coat to completely cure. Avoid driving in this time period so that the coat may completely cure. These are the results after finishing the application of Sylvania's headlight restoration kit. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.